In this video, I will demonstrate how to repair a Foonf headrest which has had one or both of its wings pulled inward such that the fabric has been pulled out of position. The first step in repairing this inconvenience is to remove the plastic back panel. The panel is held into place by 4 snap features and a tab on each side. To remove the panel, you put your finger in between the fabric and the panel about an inch and a half from the rod and pull towards you. You should hear 1 or 2 snaps. You repeat the process on the opposite side and then fish the panel out. You want the fabric to be over top of this black plastic piece, as seen here, but you'll most likely be confronted with this kind of scenario. The key is to just pull the fabric over top the way it was designed to be, and then you reinstall the back panel. The panel should align itself if you have these notches around the tubes. But before you apply pressure to put the snaps back in, you have to make sure that the tab on the side is lined up with the black plastic piece underneath it. Applying some pressure to the side will help keep that in position as you apply pressure from the back. You should hear the same snap. You repeat the process on the opposite side, and then you should be done.